ma'am, sir. I'm Eileen Nagkawili, 29 years old, and I'm a single mom. I have one children. He is now 1 year old, and I have two siblings, one sister and one brother, and I am the youngest one. And I secondary graduate. I I've been working in Singapore before, and I am almost 4 years there. And I have two employer before, and I stay in my first employer for almost 1 year. I transfer because of high salary compare, and my first employer there are five member in the family, the mom and sir, and the three kids. The three kids is the oldest one is 5 years old, and the second one is 3 years old, and the youngest one is 1 year old. And my second employer is I stay there for almost 3 years. Then the member of the family are five. The oh no, four. The mom and sir and the two kids. The oldest one is 5 years old, and the youngest one is newborn baby. And I can cook Chinese dishes also, or Asian foods. Like the Chinese food is the steamed fish, the chicken soup, like steamed chicken, and spring rolls, mixed vegetable, and etc. And I'm willing to take care of pets also, and adults. I can control my homesick, like doing some things, and make myself busy either. And sorry ma'am, I hope you will hire me as your helper. I am obedient and hardworking person, and I'm also honest ma'am, sir. And I will guarantee you that I will do my duties and never regret to hire me. Thank you ma'am, sir.